Mike V Power Hour. Boy, these China stocks worked, huh? VIX lows, FUTU out of nowhere. Baidu led the charge, the best one. Look at the close. Please follow yesterday's Power Hour. Baidu, QS pointed it out again. Algos out of the flag, broke out of the flag at 718. For those that missed it, a little shy at 772. You still got paid. Sierra WV, sound working nicely. AEAV down. A lot of things. Lennar, SFRM looks like the one so far. Zeta. Okay, let's get back to what's working. The stock, look, we have to go to TGH. Get focused here. Fuck. Fine, Ether. This is sloppy. I apologize. I do. Oil strongest. Exxon. Below the 200-day on a breakdown, above the 200-day on a day breakdown. CVX. Chevron. Devon Energy's up $2 at the 200-day. Weyerhaeuser taking calls. You know what I'm long? And I'll tell you what I'm long. I'm going to buy another fucking 4,000 now. Campbell's Soup. Mean reversion. Trust me. Worth the call. Listen, I have 20,000. Should I be tying up 600,000 worth of capital on Campbell's Soup, which is doing a doji with volume? I digress. No, I should be buying calls. I should be buying, by the way, is the channel. The other ones are going, look, it's, okay, what is tipping my hand? Dow stocks. Stock like Sara Lee. Alcoa. DuPont. INOD, for those interested taking leaps. Let's get back into business. Tiger goes with FUTU. We're in GCT. Everybody knows that. Even, I hope you're feeling better, Jeff. GCT adding. Been buying it all the way down. Add on GCT. VNET. Been a strong China stock all along. VNET taking calls. Looks good. WBD I just pulled up before. Still taking calls. Warner Brother Discovery Music. It's not a barn burner. But, you know, we're going to step in and buy Microsoft here on the dip. I'm not sure. Everybody's got to plan until they get punched in the face, that type of thing. You know what I mean? ZEPP. A lot of low floaters worked in the morning. For those that like low floaters, this gave you the call. The opening range breakout. Stock closed at 3, hit a high of 7. You. Still going. This is beautiful if the other one's good. Unfortunately, I got caught in golds. Newmont Mining. I played pretty good defense in Newmont. I'm going to tell you something. I averaged down to like I had more aggravation on being down $1.80 in Newmont than being down 20% in VSAT. Show executions. Let's go over this trade. I came in long and overnight. This is where it closed. New closing high. Did the quadruple top. Here's the weekly. Came in with calls. It didn't work, but I actually played good. I've averaged. This is where I really stuck. The low was what, 56.90? I sold a good chunk of it, 58.15. I'll take it. Now I'm in AGQ still. NPWR stocks that are working. This is still going up in NPWR. Lithium. ALB turned the corner. Has ALB turned the corner? It's not too late. It's not where a stock has been. It's where it's going. ALB. Lithium. Why? That work? With sweet cream. I knew it was a dog. I'm giving it a short. SMR, Sam Michael Robert. Came in long. Woke up 4:08 this morning. I'll tell you where I sold it. 37.30. That's me. Where? I'm right here. There I am. 4:22 a.m. I'll show you the trades. Count it. 37.20. Okay, so it opened what? The high tick was 37.40. Then I sold the balance on the double head and shoulder right here. Telling you, there's a lot of good news here. CCJ, little toppy, rotational, I get it. Keep an eye. Stock's interesting in the fund that I'm looking at. Those longer term traders. BTU, you might be familiar with the company. How's Grab doing? The Grab bag. Did the card work? No. FOUR, the sexy payment provider. Going back, no problem. Did Advanced Auto Parts work? Yes, it did. Still going to work. Boeing, the strong close per power hour. Yeah. Have a nice day. Trying to short that thing. You want to talk about bad news? I bet you God forbid, a door would fall off of Boeing, a jetliner, and the stock would go up. That's what type of market is. I'm not freaking kidding. I'm not kidding. This is the type of here, right here. Same thing could happen. Now it could be room. Look, well, how many doors can actually fall off anymore? Then they take it up. QD worked. Speaking of Qs, that worked too. Ooh, that's a reverse. QD. Uh-oh. Market reverse. Apparently, they're not that enamored with this, with the NVIDIA. GC. Crystal. Gene editing. Just like that. And tell them. Big position in the fund, baby. Over 11. Hang in there. Tell them we picked the bottom on this. They're killing people and still going in. SoFi. For any type of trader. That's the reversal. Lewis was like a day off, like 2 days off. I have too much Zeta. How does this not work? A Chinese stock. This is, look at this one. This one's the couple of Chinese stocks have been best of breed the whole time. We're acting strong. First, number one, HSAI. Number two, can you hang in? I have a lot of it. And I don't want to be down a half a point in it and things like that. It was up a dollar. QFin. How does this not work? Unfortunately, I top ticked it at 45, trying to break it higher. This is what's happening. This guy, man, telling you enough. Enough. Exxon. Here's what Joe. Okay. Remember this. No matter what plays out, because it's true. Not true. If you looked at the internals, you would think the S&P would be up 2%. Odd price action, it is. And you know what? There's also a lot of odd. Jesus was talking about the price action in the VIX all day. See that? Another one. Another friend sunrise trade. Let's get back to excuse me. Let's get back to fundamentals, all right? QD made its move. Uber, I get it. Sound, you didn't get it. Next. Roadblocks, bravo if you had it. Move on. But this is what you want. If you're going to sit here and stare and micromanage your trades, you're going to micromanage your trades. First of all, if you're going to look at every tick, you have too much on. So just start with red trades. He's right. Okay, yes, I'll paraphrase, or you could read Jesus, can't give it too much. Again, if I would only pay for one website, it would be Wall Street Jesus. Pretty quiet overall last hour. Okay. Call sweeper activity selective. What does that say to me, stock picking? Keep doing it. Never give up. I bought VIR. I bought the laggard wrong. What group is the VIR sector in? They make vaccines. When in actuality, you should have been on the news with Marna, which is up 3, or even the Marna tag along, which is NVAX, having a day. I hate this. Can't I be honest with you? Except for Campbell's, I can't believe I'm saying this, except for Campbell's soup, I don't care for my positions. Man, is that bad. Can't I be honest with you? GSAT. Beautiful. It is a breakout too. They make satellites, don't they? Isn't it? You know what? I actually think this WPD, I actually have a feeling on this. Sometimes my feeling after 3 decades is better than actually fundamental. I'm not going to lie. Warner Brothers Discovery, there's something ruined here. Maybe Apple wants them. I'm not sure. But I like this thing, man. Jane Norm, you feeling better? You drinking? Hopefully, you're in some place. You're not the type to be go. I don't think you're in any inclusive type of place. You're saying drink more. I don't even drink. WBD. This has volume. This is going to work. Signal Lithium, SGML, Jeff. This is right up your alley. You know, actually, whose alley this is up of is where McDooley is? I don't like my positions.
Signal Lithium, SGML.
I'm gonna take Sunrise Traders advice and get out of things I don't know. Genie. 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 Late movers. Genie. Late movers. Sarah Lee. They heard me. Sarah Lee's breaking. Look at Sarah Lee. It's up $1.10. If that can go up $1.10, Campbell Soup can go up $1. Sarah Lee. They make pancakes. SM. Look at SM. I didn't see that. How did I miss SM? Oh, man, how about SU? Its counterpart. Oh. Ooh. API. Where's Lewis with these little Chinese ones? King Cloud. LX. BEKE. This one was taking bombs for a while. It still can't go. Had a lot of it. This is not bad. This is worth a lot of, by the way, BEKE. China. Seriously. Campbell Soup. The good thing about Campbell Soup, I don't have to wake up at 4 in the morning for it to be a low floater. I'll be up anyway. Questions, comments, suggestions? AMLX. I brought it. I was chirping about it all day yesterday. It's not even go. Ooh, this is going to go. This is where this AMLX should be bought. Calls binary. Rick's 5,000 make 20. Whatever it is. I think it's a 4-to-1 at least risk reward ratio. And I'm in this VIR. 20,000 VIR. If this doesn't work, I'm going to personally. But you know what the problem is with this? I think I traded the golds pretty well. I could have lost a lot more money. Phase 2 readouts coming up, and phase 2 is not the one you want to be in. Where's VIR? When's this thing? What is it? VIR right here. No. There it is. First quarter 2025, phase 2. What year is this? Oh, first half. All right, I got 2 months for phase 2. Infectious diseases and hepatitis. I'm not the type that roots for hepatitis breaks out, but you know what I'm saying? Don't like it. I just looked at RXRX. See this? This was up today. VIR is what? Hepatitis? Nothing even moves on a hepatitis. It's not like leukemia, God forbid, or pancreatic cancer, God forbid. Hepatitis. You take a freaking shot for that, don't you? I got to get out of this thing. Anyway, for those that want to know about bios or trade that way, this is my buy. You got to follow the guy. Biopharma, he's one of our guys. Tons. You need to find a drug for gallstones. Amazing, I don't have one. Speaking of baby bios, here's one. IFRX, baby bios. Oh no. LW volume pop. Lig Watson. Lamb Watson Holdings. Volume pop. Used to be 126. Let's get to this. We need this because you know what? I'm going to look at the Sara Lee because they're starting to squeeze the pound cake, the cake sector. They're drinking freaking warm coffee. They used to have a clerk. Scoop, where are you? It was a hot coffee constantly. I didn't even drink coffee at the time. Sara Lee, strong day, up 21%, about to break high. Is anybody talking about soup? This is Sara Lee, right? Is SLE still Sara Lee? No, Super League Enterprises. How old am I? Uh-oh. That kind of dispels my Campbell soup theory. Fuck. Oh, this could be bad. There's our boy Fromhertz. Amazon spending down 14%. The consumer's in trouble. See? There's the volume pop and there's the Jesus feed. Options coming. Value added. I thought SLE was Sara. It used to be Sara Lee. Is there any? Fuck.
Consumers in trouble.
I'll let it go.